Hello everybody, this is AB Thunder G coming to you with another Beyblade Burst Turbo unboxing video. So today we have the dual pack layer, which is I got from Walmart. I got Leopard L4, which stands for Vice Leopard, and Silver-X Jormuntor J4. So this is a pretty niche package for like any of you bladers that are looking to buy this. And it comes with the 12 it comes with the 12 and a new friend named what was called I think Bump. I think it's called Bump. We'll just have to wait and see. And it comes with the slingshot drivers, which is like the slingshot gimmicks. There's the Destroy and Fusion. And I've been waiting to try these out for like a pretty while. And let's take a look at the back. Let's look at Leopard L4. And taking a look at the slingshot stats, it's got 1 power and 5 speed, which is definitely okay, I guess. We got attack 7, 4 burst, 0 defense, 3 weight, 8 agility, and 1 stamina. And I'm so sorry about my voice, guys. I've been feeling a little bit sick today, so I'm trying to sound as good as possible. And here we have Silver-X Jormuntor J4. Slingshot stats. We got 3 speed and 3 power. Pretty balanced. We got attack 3, burst 2, 2 defense, weight 3, agility 4, and 7 stamina, which is pretty alright, I guess. We'll just have to wait and see in real life. And without further ado, let's do a quick unboxing video. Let's just settle down and just open this thing. And a lot of people are about to ask me, will I buy the will I ever buy the Gotchi, like the Beyblade Burst GT Beyblades? Probably very soon. Probably very soon, though. I just heard the Gotchi system, Gotchi system, has been released today, so I'll probably get them soon on Amazon. But, unfortunately, I don't know how to order stuff on Amazon, so, yeah, sucks for me. Yeah, pretty much sucks for me to not, get the Beyblades on Amazon, since I don't know how to order stuff on Amazon. There we go, there's there's Leopard L4. And there's a layer and disc. And the slingshot driver, which is Destroy. Now for Silver-X Jormuntor. Fusion S, 8 disc, and Silver-X Jormuntor. Let's put all that trash aside. Get all the little attack pieces. Pretty sure, yeah. Okay, so we got all the parts. Pretty much, yeah. There we go. Here's Vice Leopard, Silver-X Jormuntor. Where's the Fusion drive? There it is. And there they are. Now let's take a look at the layer, Vice Leopard. pretty looks awesome. It pretty much looks awesome. And I'm glad Hasbro kept the gimmick for it. Like, yeah, when it, like, moves up at a very high speed, when you launch it very hard, it opens up, like, the jaws and, like, the middles, and it chomps down an opponent. Which is pretty, actually, good, cool for once. Like, pretty solid for once. But, in reality, the gaps are too small. I mean, seriously, the gaps are way too small to grab hold to the Beyblade. I mean, seriously. They could have made the, like, the teeth, like the jaws, a little bit more longer. But anyway, with that, it looks nice. It looks nice. And here's the QR code if anyone wants it. And yeah. And it comes with the 12 disc. Not very useful, very light, and it can damage your bay. Like the 12th disc is not a very good disc at all. And it comes with the frame, which is what's it called again? Oh, I remember now. Lift. Yeah, this is the lift disc. I mean the lift frame. Yeah, so it like so basically it's like the it has two modes, like the up. It has basically like two modes. If I can get it down correctly. So yeah, it has two modes. One is it's like a upper mode, which you can see right there. And it's downwards mode. If I can just like get it to like come on. Man. There we go. And switching, it's like other mode. And it's downwards mode. So I think it's I think it's actually kind of cool, but downside of it, it scrapes in the stadium and basically loses the Beyblade's stamina very quick. So not that very competitive, to say the least. And finally, we got the Destroy Driver S, which is like in Slingshot. So yeah, when you pull this up, boom, instant Slingshot mode. Oh, yeah, instant Slingshot. So this is basically Slingshot mode. It leaves out of the jaggy tip behind and go full out power mode. And when you snack back in, stamina mode. And surprisingly, like the original Destroy Driver is a lot more like it's a lot more like the original Destroy Driver. It's a lot more free spinning, but this one has a little bit like friction to it, like a little bit friction on spinning. So it's not gonna spin well as the other one. But at least we got the two modes on this one. So I'm not very depressed about that. And without further ado, let's put this bay together and see how the slopes are. Come on. And what's really annoying is how you put the Beyblade together. It's so annoying. There we go. Let's see how the slopes are. Not good though, but not horrible. Not good though, but not horrible. I mean, it got some decent slides. I mean, it's like good enough, but not that very good. I mean, it's got some decent slides. Yeah, definitely got some decent slides, but not that great. So yeah, not that great at all. Oh. The lift driver came out when I twist it. There we go. So yeah, that's like a leopard L4, otherwise as known as Vice Leopard. And let's talk about the Jormuntor layer. Not very much about it. Nothing changed. Just a silver painted thing. Like a silver painted QR code. Anyone wants it? 8 disc. Very useful. Very useful in stamina. And the Fusion S. The Fusion S driver. So when you twist, vice versa. Like I talked about in millions of videos. Vice versa, twist, pull, twist. And you get slingshot mode, etc. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. It's like a twist, pull, twist. There we go. Instant slingshot mode. That's all you need to know. Well. Anyway, let's put this bay together and see how the slopes are. Oh shit. It's got some pretty good slopes. Well, let's see how it's prone to bursting. I wonder how this is prone to bursting though. Both of these bays are a little bit prone to bursting. Yeah, see when you so Vice Leopard's ability. Move my finger out the way. Yeah, the gaps are too the gaps are too small. I mean, seriously, the gaps are way too small to grab hold of the bay. Yeah, the gaps are way too small on Vice Leopard. Well, anyway, without further ado, let's do some test spins and test battles, shall we? Alright, I got the Real Rush Space Stadium ready. Test spin launch on Vice Leopard V4. Get the launcher ready. Alright, it's test spin time. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa. So, yeah, pretty good actually. Went up the rails way too early. I mean, I didn't put it in slingshot mode. Alright, let's try this in slingshot mode. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, the flat base tip is really flat base tip. It's gonna make sure it's lose so much stamina. I mean, seriously, the flat slingshot mode makes it lose all of its stamina. No stamina at all. I mean, seriously. But it's good for attack, I guess. I guess it's good for attack. Well, anyway though, time for Jumbo Jormuntor Silver-X Jormuntor J4. It's a normality, I guess. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go! Spins actually kind of nicely. Yeah, not too many movements. Not too many movements, I guess. Alright, well, why don't we try it in slingshot mode? There we go. Oh. Come on. I mean, it's really hard to put it in slingshot mode. Sometimes. There we go. Alrighty. Test spin launch with slingshot mode. So 3. Man. Sometimes these bays don't stick to the launcher, which I really hate. Come on. There we go, finally. 3, 2, are you serious? There we go, finally. 3, 2, 1, go! Man, crazy. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be useful for a competitively. I mean, Fusion I mean, the fusion driver is not that bad, but it has some uses. It has some uses. But for the Fusion S driver, oh, it definitely got some good uses. So, yeah. Why don't we do some battles? Be right back with ya. Alright, got the two bays ready, so 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Jormuntor with a sleep out finish. On to practice number 2. Oh! Wow! Vice Leopard with the survivor finish. On to practice number 3, but this time in slingshot modes. Alright, both in slingshot mode, so 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Alrighty, I want to see how many slips they move. No movements. And no movements. How about one more time? One more time. Alright, final practice time. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! So overall though, should you buy these Beyblades? I say mixed. So yeah, I say pretty much not or buy them. Well, it depends on like how good they are, like how good they do in battles later on that I'm gonna do in this video. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys next time.